Good morning, everyone. I hope that you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your English lesson of class prep. In today's lesson, we will read the reader. Nobody wanted to play. Today, the date is 8th January 2021. And the day is Friday. What is the day today? Friday. This is your reading lesson and we are going to learn the reader. The reader name is Nobody Wanted to Play. Nobody wanted to play. Repeat after me. The reader name is Nobody wanted to play. Nobody wanted to play. Let's turn the page number 1. Page number 1. What is happening over here? Can you please tell me? Yes, here is a boy. He is on the bicycle. He is wearing a white t-shirt. There are also 3 boys also standing here. One is wearing green shirt, the other is wearing orange shirt, and one is wearing yellow shirt. They all are wearing white shoes. What is the color of the shoes? White. Okay, here is also a dog. Do you know what is the dog name? Yes, Floppy. Yes, the dog name is Floppy. The bicycle color is orange and black. It is very beautiful bicycle. Okay, let's read the sentence. Wolf was cross. 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 Repeat after me. Wolf was cross. Let's turn the page number 2. What is happening over here? Yes, there are 3 children are passing from the here. One is boy and two girls are there. What is the shirt of the color shirt of the boy? Yes, your shirt color of boy is yellow. And the trouser, he is wearing dark blue trousers. Okay, the other girl, she is wearing green shirt and red trousers. And this girl, she is having a ponytail. She is wearing orange shirt and sky blue trousers. They all are wearing white shoes. They all are wearing white shoes. Okay, let's read the sentence. Nobody wanted to play. Nobody wanted to play. Nobody to play. Let's read the sentence. Nobody wanted to play. Nobody wanted to play. Okay, let's turn the page number 3. What is happening over here? Wolf is passing from here. It is a park. It's a picture of a park. There is Wolf is riding his bicycle. Okay. Flop is also running in the park. What is the dog color? What is the color of the Floppy? Yes, yellow. Yellow, or you can say it skin. Okay. Here is a man. He is also walking in the park. There is also a dog with him. There is a boy. He is playing football. Here, one lady is passing from here. A child is holding her hand. His son or his daughter is holding her hand. There are so many trees are there in the park. What is the color of the trees? Yes, green. What is the color of the trees? Green. Can you please tell me what is there is something else, something is laying on the in the park on the floor. Yes. Can you please tell me? Yes, these are sunglasses or glasses, okay? These are glasses. Okay, let's read the sentence now. He went to the park. He went to the park. He went to the